All you need for this recipe is 1 eggplant sliced, eggs beaten. We used 3 since we had a pretty big eggplant. Whole wheat breadcrumbs with Italian seasoning. And then, for once the eggplant is cooked, tomato sauce or pasta sauce, and mozzarella cheese for toppings. So we're gonna start off by dipping the eggplant that we've already sliced into the egg wash, and that will be Miss Faith and Miss Lillian, and then Gracie and Doug will finish up by taking that eggplant that's already in the egg wash, putting some breadcrumbs on it, and cooking it in the George Foreman. With this recipe, you can also do it on a saucepan on the stove or also in the oven. So let's get cooking! Nice! Flip it over, flip it over.
And at home, we like to put it on spaghetti.
So while we let the eggplant parmesan cook, I'd like to shine a light on eggplant. Eggplant has lots of fiber, folate, and potassium. It's a great vegetable to include in your diet and to spice it up every once in a while. So instead of making chicken parmesan one night, you can make eggplant parmesan. So to finish off the eggplant parmesan, we're gonna add some tomato sauce or pasta sauce, whatever you have at home, and some shredded mozzarella cheese. We look forward to you and your family joining us to make some healthy, easy recipes that you can make at home with your whole family.